Okay, I'm in the Del Sol today. Need to change my windshield wiper switch because it's, I don't know if you can see that, but it's really bad. I'll show you what it's doing. But when you turn the key on, they just stay on. But I'm gonna do a quick little video to show you how to fix this problem. It's pretty straightforward. But you want to have your key in the accessory position so you can rotate your steering wheel back and forth. All you need is a flathead and a Phillips. That's about all you need. And here's the new switch, which I pulled out of a junkyard today. But basically this will work for any 92 to 2000 Civic. First thing you want to do is make sure your steering wheel is all the way down. There's usually 2 or 3 screws on the bottom, sometimes 1 on the top. In my situation there's just 3, I believe. Should be one more. Alright. Oh, right there. Which I don't have one in. Basically you want to pry here and here carefully because this stuff can break really easy, but you want to separate the 2 plastic pieces. I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so hold on. Okay, once you get the plastic pieces broke apart, it should just come off like so very easily. Let's see. Try not to break anything. Everything on this car likes to break, it seems like. Okay, it's a pretty straightforward process. First thing you're going to want to do is put your key in, get it to the accessory. I have no power steering, but you need to get it turned to right here. And if you look up on the switch assembly, you have a screw here, and then normally there's 1 or 2 plugs in the back. If you have rear wipers on your rear windshield, it'll go into this white plug here. If you don't, like I don't in this situation, it's just going to be the 1 plug here. What I like to do first is remove the plug and then remove the 2 screws. There we go. Just kind of tuck that out of the way. And you got the 2 screws over here. There's 2 ways you can do this. Some people just grab it like this and pull out, but I've had bad luck with that before, with breaking things. So what I do is I grab my flathead screwdriver and I get it in this crack and just kind of twist it back and forth like so, and it comes right out. And there's the whole assembly. Swap it out with this new one. Okay, I'm going to show you something side by side here. This is the old one, and this is the new one. This one came out of a 97 Civic, and these come out of the 93, and you can see that they're exactly the same. All the way through, they're exactly the same. But to install it, it's just if you look right here, let's see if I can get it on camera, but right there is a little groove that this portion goes into. So all you gotta do is line those up and then push it into place like so. Then you can take your screws and screw them back in. That's all there is to it. And then it's just reverse process of putting everything back together. Pretty simple thing. Anybody that knows how to use a screwdriver essentially can get this done. Don't over tighten it, just hand tight. Reinstall the plug. And on the Del Sol, you have to put this arm down, otherwise this is not going to go back in place right. You got to kind of get it through here and then kind of fish it over. And I forgot to take the key out too. Getting all those plastics sometimes is hard to get lined up, but I got it. I just need to reinstall these screws and we're good to go. I'm gonna try to see if this fix the problem. Okay, car's on. Windshield wipers work. Okay, easy fix.